New just listed home, 580 Shoreham Court Northeast, St. Petersburg, Florida, by Maria Mitchell from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhouse with 1,618 heated square feet and a 1-car garage is the largest floor plan in Wyngate at Brighton Bay. Enjoy 10-foot ceilings, bamboo flooring, and an open-concept living area filled with natural light. The updated kitchen features granite countertops, crown molding, and recessed lighting. Upstairs, all 3 bedrooms have vaulted ceilings, including a spacious primary suite with a walk-in closet and spa-like bath. The bonus room adds flexibility as a dining area, office, or 4th bedroom. Step outside to a peaceful screened lanai with a patio overlooking the pond, perfect for relaxing mornings. Don't miss this chance and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.